Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send zip files on Gmail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Gmail website where if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. Now after logging in, if you wish to send a zip item, then you can simply upload it as an attachment. Just tap on the compose button and then within the to section just type in who you want to send the attachment to. Then you will find the attachment button alongside the send button. Just click on this and now you can just browse for your zip file. After selecting your zip file, just click on the open button and now you can send your email with the zip file attached by simply clicking on the send button to the recipient. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send a zip file on Gmail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.